What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be discussing pricing for bookkeeping. Now, if you looked at my last video, we went into certain specifics as to how bookkeepers or accountants derive at their price points. So if you missed that video, please make sure to check that out. Let's get started. My name is Nelson with Mint Ledgers. I've been an accountant for over 14 years. Now I'm helping small businesses like yours thrive, make more money, save money, and pay taxes. If you find this content helpful, please be sure to like and follow, as we'll continue to drop more content just like this, making sure that we bring you valuable content, helping you thrive in your business. Let's get started. Now, what does a bookkeeper charge? What does that look like? And as a business owner, how may that help me run my business? So a bookkeeper can charge anywhere between $400 to $500 at its entry point, okay? This price can vary depending on the services that you need, the size of your company, and how involved your bookkeeper would be. Now, if you're just getting started, you can expect to pay anywhere between $400 to $500 a month, okay? If you have a more seasoned business and you've been around a little bit longer, you have some employees, you're constantly sending money out to vendors and receiving money from customers. Maybe you have payroll. Maybe you have various accounts such as checking, savings, a couple credit cards. Maybe your bookkeeper needs to assist you with some sales taxes, right? And so the more involved that we are, the more you'll have to pay us for our services. Now, I know no one wants to pay a bookkeeper, right? Everyone would rather put their money into inventory or marketing, things that feel tangible, things that you feel that will bring you more money in the door. But what if I told you that an investment in a bookkeeper can do those same things? You see, oftentimes our clients come to us for help because they don't know what their profit margins are. They're so worried about bringing in clients and sales that they're not hyper focused on what products or services are actually making them money. So our job is to kind of lay all that information out for you. And we do that by first diving into the books, making sure everything's cleaned up, organized, so that we can better pull reports from the system to tell us the story of where your business is. And so by understanding what products and services are mostly profitable for you, you would use those analytical data to help you thrive and make more money. See, if you have a product that doesn't make you so much money as the other product, you're going to tend to focus on the product that's more profitable, right? It's only common sense. So the assistance of a bookkeeper can help you make money. There's other areas that bookkeepers can help you, and that is getting your time back. If you're a business owner who's trying to do the sales, the customer service, who's doing all the packing of their goods in the back rooms, shipping them out, it's kind of hard for you to get to your bookkeeping. And if you're worried about your bookkeeping late at night or on the weekend, chances are you don't want to do this. And if you're not a seasoned professional, you may not be doing it correctly. So working with a bookkeeper would allow you to have some of that time back, to spend time with your family, to do things more effectively in your business, and ultimately get back to the customers and give them the customer service that they want. Now, this is invaluable because it's going to pay off tenfold. Customers know when they have a good experience, and it's up to you to provide that to them. And so if you're just rushing them out the door just to get back to your bookkeeping that you put off a month ago, it's going to be hard to get actual good results from your bookkeeping. And so you'll get the time back when you're working with a bookkeeper to do the things that you want to do the most. Another benefit with working with a bookkeeper is that it's an actual write-off. Okay, it's a good expense for your business. It's at the end of the year, whatever you've paid your bookkeeper up until that point, you'll be able to write it off and offset some of the income that you've earned. That's going to help you out when it comes to times for taxes. Okay. Now, there are some businesses that are looking for expenses at the end of the year, and sometimes they want to buy a computer just to offset their income, or they want to take a course or a last minute trip, right? Just to kind of not pay taxes. But what if you spent that money strategically throughout the year with a strategic partner who helped you along the way, gave you good sound advice, provided clean data in your financials, and gave you back some time, but it's also a write-off. I think that's a win-win situation. So don't look at hiring a bookkeeper as an added expense or a dreaded expense. Use it for what it is. Someone who's going to help you along the way, someone who's going to get you some time back, and it's going to make your business better. So you can expect to pay anywhere between $400 to $500 depending on the size of your business. If it's a smaller size, $400 to $500. If it's on the medium size, anywhere between $600 to $900, maybe $1,000. And then on the larger scale, between $1,000 to $2,500, depending on the services that you need. So there you have it. If you've been dreading hiring a bookkeeper, I'd say don't even dwell on it. Have a consultation with a bookkeeper, see what they can provide for you and your business. I think it's worthwhile just to have a conversation. If you dread doing your bookkeeping and you're putting it off for the weekends or once a month and you're not doing a very good job at it, it might be time to hire a bookkeeper. There you have it, folks. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you next time.